Hello guys, welcome back to CodePlusOne, and here I have been uploading my videos for a very long time for a reason. Not because I quitted or took a break, because I wasn't feeling well and I wasn't that well. Yeah, I didn't have the energy. So as you have read the title, in today's video we will be making a basic that weather API that will tell you the current weather data. So all you have to do is go to OpenWeatherMap.org and press enter. Now here you need to go first create an account, or if you already have an account here, just sign in. And if you still don't have any API key, then just copy this out. It takes approximately 2 hours, or maybe just took 10 minutes. Sometimes it takes up to 2 hours. This is your key. Double click, copy it, and then go to the API tab and go down until you don't find this current weather data. Go to API doc. Here now open a tab, paste this, open another tab, copy this, paste this, press enter. It shows the invalid API key. Now go back, copy this, paste this. It shows code 200, wrong latitude. Just enter a random latitude here, and then the longitude also here. Press enter, and it just gives me a random place which has the longitude of 10 and 9. It is 10 also. I just entered it randomly, so I just got a random place which I don't even know about. Here we have these, and what information do we need? Temperature minimum, temperature maximum, temperature maximum, humidity. We can go to country and then the name. So yeah, so just let me just zoom it out for you. Let me zoom it. Okay, please wait. It takes a lot of time for it to be zoomed. Come on, how long is it gonna shoot? Please wait. Yeah, done. So now just okay, type import request, and if you don't have this package installed, then all you have to do is Windows+R, or for Mac, I don't know, just open your command panel, there type pick install request, the name of this package, I just type this, okay, and then press enter. It will tell you if it's installed or not, and if it's not, it will automatically be installed. So here now I'm gonna type request dot get page that which you Now go to the web browser, copy this URL, which is right here, this. Go here, paste it, and I want to tell you one thing. In case you are not connected to the internet, it will just show an error, a nasty error which you clearly do not want. Yeah, those errors are pretty difficult to read. So here we are going to use try and accept. Okay. So yeah, here's what this try and accept does. It says try this line of code which is indented below me, and then the indentation ends. There should be an accept, and then just type what you want to be, what it to be, and here I'll just program. It's a good practice to always at the end of your program type program print the program ended, because if there's another user using your code, it knows that now the program has ended. This type request equals to this code. Request search equals to request.json. And proceed. Enter. And now, as I told you all about the information which we need, it's here in the main, and inside the main the temp keyword. So now we will get the temperature. I'm gonna type temp equals to request square bracket quotation, and here main. Here spelling matters a lot. Wrong spelling, just expect there to be an error. Okay, main, and now here type temp underscore min equals to request, and one more note. You can name the variable anything you want, but then you just have to, just manage a bit. A little bit later I named it request, so you can give it the name of request in the code JSON. And wherever I'm using like here requester, you need to type request underscore JSON. So manage like that. What is square bracket main here, let's type temp underscore min. See here the minimum temperature is temp underscore min, so that's what we're gonna type. And then for the maximum it's temp underscore max instead of min here. Sometimes these codes can get exhausting. So always sit near a window and just look out. I prefer you to keep some plants nearby so that your lungs can keep fresh. Some indoor plants. Those are very good. Even I have 1 or 2 on my desk. I have got 3 on my desk. So you can do add another one. me because they make my environment a lot better and a lot easier to code. Now back to the coding, and I again use the main and then temp max. Now we need the humidity also. I always mess this up. Humid equals to the vector main, and by coding some keyboard shortcuts are the best. A lot. I really love keyboard shortcuts. And now what we need is the country name or the code country underscore code equal. Okay, it says this. Yes, SYS this. And then another. Here we need country. It shows country code, the first country. Now what else do we need? Name. Name equals to vector. And if you see here, this is to start here and end here. It means name is nothing. So we just need to type name. It's vector and then name. And now we need to type the print statement for them all. Why did I open that? Print string. Come on, isn't there a way to close these? This is like get very irritating. String. Here. Then is your temp. But first, let's run in here and let's see if it shows that error. Yeah, no error. And how can there be 310.15 degrees Celsius at even one place? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm not. The program is not broken. That is because it shows in Kelvin. To change that, I will teach you about that in the next video because this video is already about 14 minutes long. That is enough. The next video, in part 2, I will complete this code and teach you why this is showing 310.15 degrees. Yep. Don't forget to check out my Patreon. I will leave the link here, followed by the full series. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that is very important. So that you can stay updated to the latest videos of mine. So see you in the next video. Bye guys. Don't forget to check out my Patreon.